Alright, man. Lenny, N8XLQ, and the Wonder Dog Jade, who will be interrupting us a whole freaking lot. I just picked up my new Yaesu FTDX101MP, and it's all hooked up, ready to play and all that. And I am about to pull the plastic off the screen. Yes, this is what's up. Check it out. I have a special lighting set up for our star today. The screen and the screen plastic. All right, which way should I do it? Should I go over here and totally, I don't know. Should I come up under here like that? Maybe. It's hard to get to. It's really stuck in there. I can come over here, a little bit of it's sticking out. Right there. Come in like that. Oh. Ooh, it's a little loose. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay, I can get a hold of it now. I'll get it from the bottom. Stay low. Stay low and tight. Low and tight, guys. Low and tight. There it goes. The star of the show. The MP. Yeah, MP. Military power. There it is. Plastic's off of it. Forever. That's so fun. Alright, let's see what happens when we'll roll on some juice and take the lighting off. There it is, man. I've got a vertical, I've got a horizontal hooked up to it, and I've got a 10 meter vertical hooked up to it. So we're going to go ahead and play and see what happens with it and all that craziness. But this is the world's greatest receiver right here. Yeah, it's on the S list. So there you go. Anyways, this is Lenny, N8XLQ. I just wanted to show you. I got the new box, and this is the MP. So it has the power supply speaker that goes with it. But yeah, we just hooked it up. I just did. I picked up the keypad because I got really used to using that hunting parks on the air with this rig right here, the 991A. That's not on. That's my Spectroid audio analyzer. There's the ham radio for the 991A, and then there's our not running genuine Windows. So you know, parks on the air is on there, and the mess. That's a pile of work I got to do. So that's it. So I hooked this speaker up right there, and I also hooked up one of my old landliners, which are the best sounding Yaesu speakers to date, as far as I'm concerned, but you know, I don't know anything. Alright gang, there it is. I did it. There's the bucket list. That is, yeah, been waiting for something like this for 40 years. So it's gonna, I'm gonna make it run on that antenna out there. That's always fun to play with. That little bugger right there, it gets going pretty quick sometimes. Yeah. Mako, there is no substitute. So anyways, I'll let you go. This is Lenny, N8XLQ, November 8, X-Ray Lima, Quebec. Lenny never ate extra large quesadillas. Take care. We'll talk to you on the air. Alright. GoPro, stop recording.